Skate for it. Home Affairs in Cape Town. Home Affairs in Cape Town. En oud talaga waaski jong. Ah, groot man. Oi! Nog een. Als ik een kikam krijg, dan ga ik wegrijden nog vandaan.
Dan kun je morgen ook optellen.
Yeah, it's alright man. I don't mind. Fred, help me out. Put the bike in your car. Weet je, hallo. Oh, come here. Come here, here's Tafazwa. They're gonna ask you permanent. Come here. Tafazwa's here inside. Yeah. Look here. Yeah, see?
Who's gonna move? Come here.
Dit is weer alle tyd jong. Dis by tyd jong, ek wil lank al 'n bike ry. When I say you must come pitch for McLean. Don't have permit. Oh, this one I almost moved him. This man is a don't like it.
Is a manager that one?
This guy is because of him why Louis is not here anymore. Louis used to have these car guards. You see, then he was a manager before him also.
Where?
Every time he's doing this thing of the foreigners, he's wrong of it. The foreigners they come from Home Affairs. They give him the papers. He says it's fake. Every time he does this, it's stupid. Every time. It's not the first time he's doing this thing. It was first the car guards. General!